Hi and welcome to another unboxing video from the Switch Lab here in Dublin. So today we have a really interesting 1 gig switch. So 1 gig Ethernet switch from Edgecore Networks. It's called the ECS4650 and we've got 2 variants in the series, the 54T and the 54P. So P being PoE. So there's lots of use cases for this box. Obviously we have the enterprise market, but because of 25 gig uplinks, we have maybe the telecoms market as well for 1 gig downlink. So let's open it up and have a look. Okay, so this is our 4650-54P, so P being PoE. There's also a T version. What came in the box is obviously the switch itself. We've got a serial cable, we've got an earth cable, we've got some mounting brackets and some screws, and we have a quick start guide for setup as well. So on the box itself, quite small, which is good for enterprise deployments. We have console and management ports. We also have a USB management port. We have 40 PoE plus ports, 1 gig ports, and we have 8 PoE plus ports. And this is quite important. I'll get to that in a second. Then we have 6 25 gig SFP28 ports. So on the plus side, the total box has a power budget of 740 watts, but we can get 90 watts out of each of these ports. So anything that's quite power hungry, like maybe external APs or camera systems, can be looked after on the 90, and then the rest of the usual voice over internet protocol and things like that can be used with the PoE plus ports. On the software side, we have Edgecore's operating system, which has been used in thousands of deployments globally, from service providers to enterprise deployments. And this is actually perfect for both. So obviously it's going to work really well in the campus environment, but it can work really well in a service provider or cloud use case as well. So this is priced really reasonably, but if you get in touch, you'll see how reasonably priced this box is. So as I said, get in touch if you want to find out more.